Good evening, dear students. My name is William Antonio Herrera. I will be your English tutor during this school year. I am here for helping you. You can send me a message here in the platform. If you observe, this is very easy. That is, we have a lot of videos here. For example, if you have doubts how to use the forum, you only click here and it explains you. Or how to update your profile. Here you click to. Or if you wanna observe how you will solve exams. This week we had one forum. This is your presentation when you introduce yourself, and we have a homework that is this. Only you click on this, on like this, and wait. For example, here you have to write sentences. For example, it said write 2 sentences for each one in present perfect. Here is the structure in simple past. This is 2, or in simple present. You have to write 2 here, and 2 in this. These are the lectures. It is similar to your books, only you click and here explain you how you can solve some homework. For this week, we have one activity. It is a forum. It's a student objective. Only you click on it and you have to read a paragraph. Very interesting paragraph. Here, this is the paragraph. You have to read and answer these questions. Complete sentences. For example, what is the purpose of education? You have to read here and observe what is the purpose. The second question is, do you agree with this purpose? If you agree, yes, you have to write, yes, I agree because, or no, I don't agree because. Okay, students, it is a pleasure. You have questions, send me a message or write in my email.